In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete an archived project from your team workspace. To get started, look over to the left sidebar of your screen and navigate to the team where the project was originally located. This is important because archived projects are still tied to the team they belong to, even though they may no longer appear in your main active project list. Taking a moment to confirm that you're in the correct team will help you avoid deleting the wrong project by mistake. Once you're inside the right team space, find the filter option that controls which projects are being displayed. From there, choose the setting that shows archived projects. If you don't enable this filter, the project you're looking for may remain hidden, so this step is essential. After the archived items become visible, scan the list carefully and locate the specific project you want to remove. When you've found the archived project, move your cursor over it. As you hover, look for the three dots menu, sometimes shown as an ellipsis. Click that menu to open the list of available actions for the project. In that dropdown, select the option labeled Delete Project. Be sure to pause for a second before clicking, especially if your workspace contains multiple archived items with similar names. Permanent deletions can be difficult or impossible to undo, so it's worth double-checking that you've selected the correct one. After you click Delete Project, a confirmation prompt will appear. This is the platform's way of making sure the deletion is intentional. Read the prompt carefully, then confirm the deletion to complete the process. Once confirmed, the archived project will be permanently removed from the workspace. A helpful tip here is to make sure you no longer need any information stored in that project before confirming deletion. If there's anything you may want to reference later, it's a good idea to review it in advance, since deleting the project is typically a final action. And that's it. The process is simple once you know where to look. Go to the correct team in the left sidebar, turn on the Archive Project filter, open the three dots menu on the Archive Project, choose Delete Project, and confirm when prompted. If you follow those steps carefully, you'll be able to clean up archive projects quickly and safely.